This is October 10th. Right now they all coming over, see what's going on. That's the male crane right over there, and that's the female. Oh, no, I take that back. Male there, female. And then this is the boss right here of the geese. There's usually 6 of them. There's some are around in the back over there. And then I got this camera that's built into this feeder with a solar panel up here. I need to put some food in there. Chickadee. And then after these guys leave, then all the blackbirds and the golden finch, cardinals, and all the rest of the birds come in after them and feed galore. So this little bucket right there, that's water. Then this is the one I buried. You can't see it, it's right by his tail. You can see a little bit of the bucket, but it's buried underneath there. You might be able to see it. Nope. And then there's water in that one there, and then there's a bucket right there. And they all drink from it. And he's just sitting there going, what's going on? Every day. And these two cranes will stay here all day, and they'll go out in the grass and search for moles. I've seen them pick up hundreds of moles in a day, literally. It's insane.